Okay guys, today we'll try to explore this ECP food village. Actually this place is well known and very usually busy for with the seafood. Okay, so yeah, in Singapore we eat a lot of seafood like crabs and lobster especially. Okay, so here we have a seafood will be there, crabs will be there, lobsters, and satay will be there. So it's a local Singapore food. Satay is a boneless pieces of meat on a wooden stick. So we'll just explore. We'll see. So there's a safety officers here. So which are basically taking care of the safe distance. Because of the COVID we have safe distance. So if you see the red band on his hand, they are called as a safety officer. So they basically maintain a safe distance. Thank you. So this is the safety officers here. So they take care of maintaining the safe distance. So if you see, right, yeah, a lot of hawkers are there. So I will just show you first what is satay and all. Then later I will buy something for myself. So I will come back. I will come. I will cover and come. No problem. So if you see, right. So that was a satay. There's a boneless pieces of meat actually. So on the charcoal they will prepare. It's a very traditional. So they give you with your peanut sauce. So it's very famous in Singapore and Malaysia also, I guess. So yeah, that is. I came here especially for satay because I'm fond of satay. Now the crowd is less because of the COVID season. So later. So here the people are actually affected, the business is affected due to the COVID. So usually people try to help this hawkers. Even I try to just whatever we can give something extra, right? So we'll just try to help out. Okay, because okay, so main thing is here is satay. Second thing is here is lobsters. Okay, main the lobsters are there, and just show you the. So this is the drink house. I think sugarcane juice. There are a lot of places we get the fresh sugarcane juice also. Okay, this is one of the menu I will show you. So we have there is something called as carrot cake also, which is very traditional and local to Singapore. all this with the red bands are the safety officers. So they maintain, they ensure that you are maintaining the safe distance. Barbecue chicken. I'll come back.
You come here, waiting for you, huh?
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, my brother for me, huh? Okay?
Thank you. We have like fish, lobsters, chili crab and all. Uncle is very happy. You see a lot of crab shops are there actually. There's a jogging lane also. We'll cover that before going for the food actually. Later. Later I'll come.
Video $5. $5, huh?
I give you later.
Mari bang, ayam kambing itu.
All these are safety officers. They take care of the safe distancing. Seeing how to go out. There is a jogging lane I wanted to show. So there's a good big jogging lane. I'm seeing how I can go out and show. Okay, so there's a river side also here. There's a lake or something lake I think, or river. Need to check. Spring chicken. Guys preparing some chicken wings. Okay, so I will make my order, then I will sit somewhere to show you the food. Okay, then we'll go out somewhere, the jogging lane side. Okay, so first I will buy something for me to eat the food. So here we have a lot of seafood, right? So if you see, the scallops are there, some $20. The lobsters are there, prawns are there. Okay. The fried rice is there. So we have ordered some, so we'll go and try when it is ready. Okay, the chili crab. This is actually, crab is very famous. So they have multiple types of crabs here. Like black pepper crab and the chili crab is very famous. Okay. We'll just wait, because when we order the food we have to give the table number and they will bring the food to your table. So giving them, I have ordered something. Once it is ready I will show. I've given them the table number. So since it is a COVID time, so we are not allowed to remove the mask in most of the places. Means outside the house you cannot remove only. Only at the dining places we are allowed to remove the mask. So since I am at eating place now and drinking a tea, so I am okay to remove the mask. So I'm just waiting for my food. Once it is there, then I will just try to review it. Okay. So I will just show you guys. Thank you. The satay is here. So I'm having one of my friend about to join. So this is not very sure he will come, but I've ordered the food for two. If not, then I have extra capacity to finish. So this is mutton plus chicken. So it's very reasonable. The satay price is very reasonable here. So it's like 10 pieces, like they sell with at least 10 pieces we have to take. So we have taken 10 pieces of mutton and 10 pieces of chicken. Okay, and it costs us around almost $15. Okay, so it's like 20 pieces you are getting for $15. It's like hardly $1 per stick. So it's very, for me I think it's very cheap, reasonable price. So we get like if you see, like onions are there and the cucumber. Okay, and I think it's a peanut sauce. We get a peanut sauce with it. Okay, so we have also ordered some lobsters. I think king prawns and scallops as well. So we'll try that once it is coming. So we have to just dip it, and there's no hard fast rule. So we can just dip it and just pull it out. So we'll wait for the other seafood to come, and then we will just review that one also once it is there. We are done with the satay. Okay, so satay was really nice, and satay actually does not cost much. Actually, for one stick hardly it is $1. That satay costs us like for 20 pieces it costs us $15 hardly. Seafood is usually expensive. So expensive means slightly higher to the other stuff. So this is some, I think, sambal prawn, king prawn. So this cost us around $8 for one sambal prawn. Okay, so for 3 they charge us for around $24. Okay, this is scallops, and scallops is like 6 pieces. It comes for around $20. Okay, so both of them it costs us around 20 and $26. I think 24 and 20. So $44 for both of them. Okay, so that is the shop. Later on I will give the shop name also in the description. Okay, so which is the shop. So it was really nice. So we just finish it off our food, and then we will carry out outside. There's a jogging track outside. So I'll just walk you through the jogging track as well. Okay. So guys, we are done with our food. So here today we enjoyed the satay, and this was this is not a lobster, but some king prawns in the sambal style. Sambal means spicy one, and this was the scallops. So apart from this, we can also have crabs here. So main thing is crab, but I created a lot of mess while eating the crabs. So normally I will avoid crabs. Okay. So but alhamdulillah, the food was very good. So the crabs, we have two varieties here. One is chili crab, and the black pepper crab is there. And apart from that, we have lobsters and oyster. Actually, the oyster is very, people eat a lot of oyster here, oyster omelette and everything. So this is the place where we enjoyed booked the satay from. Okay, so it was nice actually. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So, and I will show you the place where we had a so this is the place with the halal logo, and we had the scallops and thank you. So it was nice actually. The people are nice, the vendor are nice actually. Okay, the people are very hardworking in Singapore. That I really like. Okay, so whether it is a service guys or other people, right? So they work very hard. So I'm also hardworking, so this is the right place for me. So we are just exiting from the food court now. So okay, so we are exiting from the food court. Okay, so we have to tap here. Okay, so here we'll just walk through the jogging track. Okay, there's a jogging track next door. So if you're coming to here, right, don't forget to have crabs actually. Okay, so main of the seafood, as we know, people eat oyster, lobster, oyster omelets are there. That's very famous. Okay, carrot cakes are there, crabs are there, and scallops. What we have, satay is there, and lobsters or king prawns or something. So it's really nice. It's a good experience actually. So since it is called a East Coast Park, right? So people come here for jogging and cycling also. Okay, so I will just show you. There's a barbecue pits also here. As of now, maybe people are enjoying Diwali still, because yesterday the Diwali was there. But if you see, right, we have a pits here. Okay, we have to book. At some places we have a pits actually. This is not the pit, but I think there are some barbecue pits. Yeah, there's a barbecue pit actually where they are standing. We have a barbecue pit over there. Okay, so I think we can go to their website and book the pit. Okay, barbecue pit. Okay, so yeah. So it's really nice. Yeah, so we'll just walk for some time and then maybe we'll just send off. Okay. Here, earlier I used to come. I've come quite few times actually here because it's a good place for jogging, specifically because you can. It's a fresh air right just next to the sea, so it's a really good place to do the jogging. Okay, so we can remove the mask at food courts while we're having the food, and while jogging also we can remove the mask for cycling. Okay, but all other times you have to put your mask on. Okay, so we'll just try to cover some part and then we will just close this video for today. So if you see, right, the people are there. So actually it's a very nice view here. People come here for seeing the sunset also. Okay, so if you want to see the sunset, right, people usually come here to. This is all the boats actually, small boats over here. It's a huge area actually. If you keep on going, right, it's a huge area. I think some people are already doing a barbecue there, so I will just show you. You see, right, I think so. Some people are already doing some barbecue because, as I said, right, we have to book the pit. We cannot just come here and start cooking. I think some people are already booked and doing something. We'll try to go and have a close view. Let's see. And this is actually very nice country to stay in actually. People work hard and live a good lifestyle actually. Okay. I think this is a never ending story, so it will go very far. So we'll just proceed to the exit and proceed home actually. Initially I used to go for jogging in the night, but I have stopped it in the night because you get very active and you cannot I think this is the wrong practice because initially I used to also do jogging in the night, and then I stopped night jogging because somehow your brain becomes very active and I am not able to sleep. Okay, so best thing is you to go in the morning actually for a jog because you can go energetically to your carry a lot of energy to your workplace actually. As of now I'm doing the shooting. One of my friend was asking what I'm using for shooting. As a starter, I'm using my mobile only. So I have a Samsung S21 and S20. Either of one I will just use it. Okay, so normally I will not carry the gimbal. I have a gimbal for stabilization, but for later videos maybe I will try to use gimbal. Okay, and I have a mic also, but that I have kept it for the food reviews and other stuffs, because where we want to interact with other person, that time you'll need a mic actually. So this is cab, so mostly the taxis will be, the cab will be like this. So green signal means it is available. Okay, if it is red, so it is either book or then. Okay guys, thank you, bye.